My name is Brett Davis.
I'm Connor Joyce.
Today we're doing the Bob Ross Painting Challenge.
Sponsored by Black Hills Painting and Pressure Washing. I don't even know where to start. I'm gonna get all the dark colors out of the way first and just get a good little basis here.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna go from there. Try to get the mountains.
Try to get the outskirts lines going and then...
Yeah, I like the straight lines comment, Dave. That's the next point you made.
It's important, man. Probably wash before you change colors, no?
It depends on, on the painter. Everyone's different.
Try to get some white in here. Oh, there we go. Mixtures. That's nice.
All right, yeah, I'm gonna do the dark hills first, like the top. You can see how the tops of the hills are dark.
Hills those?
I'm just gonna buzz out all those.
Yeah, I like that. You do you, man.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm off to a bad start, but that's all right.
I feel like I'm off to a good start, but I feel like in a few minutes I'm gonna have it completely
It's all about the end product.
butchered. Yeah.
Oh, you think it's gonna be worse towards the end?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can see that. Gotta get some white in there. Soft hands.
I think I'm off the blue train.
I'm kind of all over the map right now.
I might just go new brush.
That's all right though.
Then I'm gonna go like a little light blue under it. Oh my God, this looks so nasty. Oh wait, no it doesn't. Yeah, it does. Yeah, it does. Gonna be not that hard. Like this looks so far from what that guy has. It's actually kind of embarrassing, but I thought I was doing like a good job.
Really attacking that sky.
Yeah, I'm about to be done with Skysies. Yeah, mixing colors. We're live.
You gotta mix them up, dude.
Oh my God.
7 minutes?
Oh my God, need to lay off the sky. Heavy. Need to get some little action in here. I gotta be better prep. I need the white. Need the white.
I feel like I should be changing
Oh,
the brush
that
I'm
brush
using,
has
but I'm
no-
not.
Oh, dude, just made the most perfect sunset color.
Really?
I think I might have jinxed it, but I'm liking it. You seeing that? Just when you guys think I'm butchering this with the all orange sky, I'm coming around with the dark blue finish in a few.
What kind of technique do you go with the wrist?
I mean, I got like 15 different brushes going here right now. So,
Texos?
yeah, I got a lot of different techniques. Oh, I thought this tree was gonna go way better.
It's all right, man.
I gotta get this tree going here. I am behind on tree progress.
Come on.
Yeah, putting a lot of respect on this, whoever painted this name, because I am struggling. Like, my tree looks so bad compared to that. Time? Oh my god. Oh my god. Running extremely low.
I'm kind of liking mine though, to be honest.
How did she do those branches so good, man? Don't really know what I'm doing right now. Time? Oh no. Just some decoy blue down here, like I'm doing something. Oh, white in there.
Oh. Those trees, dude. Those look good.
Oh my god, your trees are nasty.
Trees are kind of dialed.
Dude, ours
I'm
look
just distracting you.
so different. Dude, let me get some of that pink last minute for my son.
Get in there, dude.
Oh, that might have just ruined it.
I think I'm done.
Sunsies. Oh, dude, that actually made it nice.
That's time, sir.
Mine, dude,
Hands away from the painting.
I put like a pound of paint on my trees.
You really went after the center part of the tree there, right? The brown.
Yeah.
My name is Brett Davis, and this is what I painted today. Pretty solid.
My name is Connor Joyce, and this is what I painted today. Just a little more solid than that.
I personally,
I think Davis is really good, but we would like to know your opinions in the comments.
yeah.
Thank you very much.